In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email notification sound in Outlook. Setting up a distinctive notification can help you stay organized and ensure you don't miss important emails, whether you're working from home or managing a busy day at the office. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together so you can customize Outlook notifications and make them work better for you. First things first, you'll need to open Outlook if it's not already running. Once you've got Outlook open, head over to the top left corner of the window and click on the File tab. This is your starting point for accessing the different customization options available in Outlook. From the File menu, select Options. Clicking here will bring up a window filled with various settings. Now within this Options window, look on the left-hand side and find the category labeled Mail. Give that a click. It might sound a little complicated at first, but we're almost there. Next, you'll want to scroll down until you see the section titled Message Arrival. This is where you control how Outlook alerts you to incoming mail. Under this section, you'll find two important options. First, check the box that says Play a Sound. If you want Outlook to not only notify you with a sound, but also with a visual alert, you can also check the box next to Display a Desktop Alert. Both are designed to catch your attention whenever a new email lands in your inbox. Once you've made your selections, don't forget to click OK to apply these changes. At this point, Outlook is set up to play the default Windows email notification sound whenever a new message arrives. However, if you want to personalize it even further, we have a neat trick up our sleeve, and it involves changing this to a sound of your choice. To do this, we'll have to adjust the system sound settings in Windows. Start by opening the Control Panel. If you're not familiar, you can usually find it by typing Control Panel into the search bar near your Start button. Once you're in the Control Panel, look for the icon labeled Sound, and click that to open up the sound settings. In the Sound window, you'll see several tabs at the top. Make sure you're in the Sounds tab. This is crucial because it's where all the exciting sound customization happens. Now look for the section called Program Events. Scroll through the list until you find an entry that says New Mail Notification. Select it, and then you'll be able to choose from a list of available sound files on your system. For the perfect personal touch, you can select any .wav sound file. Once you've made your choice, remember to click Apply to save these changes and OK to exit the window. And there you have it. Now Outlook will alert you with a custom sound whenever you receive a new email. Customizing these sounds can really enhance your focus and productivity, making it easier to manage your daily tasks. Thanks for tuning in, and happy emailing.